Title: Growing Minds, The Benefits of Gardening for Children, XT Backyard Garden Day. A group of children, ranging in age from 5 to 10, are gathered around a small vegetable garden. They are digging in the soil, planting seeds, and watering plants with enthusiasm. In a world filled with screens and gadgets, there's a timeless activity that continues to captivate young minds: gardening. In classroom, teacher stands in front of a group of children holding a potted plant. Teacher: today we're going to learn about the wonders of gardening. Who can tell me what plants need to grow? A child eagerly raises their hand. Child: water, sunlight, and soil. That's right. And by gardening, we get to witness these miracles firsthand. Backyard Garden Day. The children are now harvesting ripe tomatoes, carrots, and cucumbers from their garden. Gardening isn't just about growing plants. It's about nurturing curiosity, responsibility, and a love for nature. Kitchen Day. The children are gathered around a table, washing and preparing the vegetables they harvested. Through gardening, kids learn valuable life skills like teamwork, patience, and the importance of healthy eating. Community Garden Day. The children are volunteering at a local community garden, helping to plant flowers and herbs. Gardening also fosters a sense of community and environmental stewardship. By caring for our green spaces, we're helping to create a better world for future generations. Backyard Garden Day. The children are sitting in a circle, admiring the fruits of their labor. In a fast-paced world filled with distractions, gardening offers children a chance to slow down, connect with the earth, and cultivate a lifelong passion for nature. Nurturing growth. Love is akin to the care we give to plants. Just as we nurture love in relationships, we also nurture the growth of plants. This parallel can be drawn when teaching kids about green gardening, emphasizing the love and care required for plants to thrive. Teaching responsibility. Caring for a garden teaches kids about responsibility.